Radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia, Long County in southeastern Georgia, McIntosh County in southeastern Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tibet, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hinesville, Richmond Hill, Montgomery, Fort Stewart, Tibet, Jones, McIntosh, Walterville, Midway, and Riseboro. This includes Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 61 and 92. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.